Okay, children. So today we will discuss in the atoms and molecules only. Last just revision we will do, children, because already we have done so much upon atoms and molecules. New lesson. So coming to this, just a revision of formulas. What are the formulas, children? Moles means what is the formula, children? Moles means weight by atomic weight
Atomic weight,
or weight by molecular weight.
molecular weight.
Number of atoms means what, children? Number of atoms means weight by
Weight by
atomic weight into
Atomic weight.
Avogadro number. Number of molecules means what is the formula, children?
Weight by
Sir, the
weight
molecular
by
weight.
English
molecular
one.
Avogadro.
Weight by molecular weight into Avogadro number. Number of molecules. Children, molecules means you should take molecular weight. Atoms means you should take atomic weight. Moles, if it is atom is given, take atomic weight. Molecules are given means molecular weight you have to take. Okay. I told you no, children. So weight of one atom.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, board is blur, sir.
Body is blur. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Sit. Is it now? How is it?
Okay, sir.
Second, children. Let's just. Is it okay, children?
Now
Now?
it is okay, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah, thank you, children. Thank you for telling. If not, I was thinking it's okay. So, children, weight of one atom. Children, weight of one atom means atomic weight by Avogadro number. Okay, and weight of one molecule. What is weight of one molecule, children? Molecular weight by Avogadro
Molecular
number.
weight. Oh.
Molecular weight by Avogadro number. Okay, children. Please mute your audio, children. Someone is talking. Yeah, first question. Please keep seeing, children. Okay, children. So first question. Okay, we'll go one by one. Tell me, how many molecules of water are there in 54 grams of water? Number of 54 grams of water. In 54 grams of water, how many molecules are there? That's the question. What is the formula, children? Number of molecules, tell me.
Sir, weight by molecular weight into Avogadro number.
Keep saying weight is how much? Weight is how much?
84 grams
54.
by
Molecular weight is how much?
H2O.
H2O
1
is
into
what?
2 into 1 into 2 plus
2
16.
plus 16, that is 18. Into Avogadro
18
number.
into 6.3
So 18 threes, huh?
into 6.022 into 10.
Power
10
of
to the
23.
power of
3
20.
to the 9, 6, 0, 18. 18.069 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules of water is present in 54 grams of water. So children, 54 grams of water, how many molecules are present? 18.069. What is the formula we use with children? Number of molecules means this formula we use with children. Weight by molecular weight into Avogadro number. Weight is I only gave. Molecular weight is 2 plus 16, 18. You have to find out. Okay. So children, those who joined today, they will not understand. Just listen, children. For you, I will say again, children, all these basics. Second question. Lahari, calculate the mass of. Is asking mass of. Calculate the mass of 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules of NH4Cl. What is the formula you will use? Number of molecules is equal to
weight by molecular weight into Avogadro number.
weight by molecular weight into Avogadro number. Number of molecules, how much I give?
6.022 into 10 to the power 23.
6.02 to 10 power of 23. Weight I am asking.
Weight by
Okay, Avogadro number is how much? 6.022 into 10
6.022
to
into 10 to the power 23.
and molecular weight of ammonium chloride. Can you help me how to find out ammonium chloride molecular weight?
14 plus
14 plus
1 into 4.
4 plus
30.5.
18 plus 35.5 is how much? 57.5. This gone children, this goes here. So the mass of ammonium chloride is 57.5 grams. Try to understand children. Same formula. Among this only I will be using all the sums. Please see here children. Third sum. Nadika, you can calculate the mass of. Find the mass of. Find the mass of 12 into 0.44 into 10 to the power of 23 oxygen atoms. Find the mass of oxygen atoms. Which form?
Number of atoms is equal to
Number
weight
of
by
atoms is
atomic
equal to
weight into n.
weight by atomic weight into
And 12
atom number.
into
Why we took
yes,
atomic weight? Because he gave here
because it
atoms.
is number of
Okay,
yes.
number of atoms how much he gave?
12 into 0.4.
Okay, 12 into
12 into 0.44 into 10 power 20.
1 second, Nana, 1 second. 12.044.
Okay, so 12.044 into
12.044 into
10 power 23 is equal to weight by
atomic weight
by
of oxygen
16
60.
into n. 6.022 into 10 power 23.
10
So
power.
1 to 2.
Huh?
6.022 and 12.044 twos.
Okay, so 10 to the power of 23, 10 to the power of 23 cancel. This
6.
goes up, this goes down. So mass of one molecule is 12.044.
12.044 into 16 by 6.022,
So
which
this
is
is
30.
2 times 32. So
32.
mass is how much? 32
32
grams
grams.
of oxygen has this many atoms. 32 grams of oxygen has this many atoms. 32 grams of oxygen has this many atoms. Like that we have to do. Okay, Srita, are you there? Srita. Srita is there? No, not there. Yashasvi is there?
Yes, sir.
Tell me this question. How many grams are there in 5.5 moles of sulfur? 5.5 moles of sulfur. How many? What did they ask? How many grams? They did not mention atoms or weight. What you will do, Nana, in this case? You will take weight, atoms you will take, molecules you will take.
Atoms, sir.
No, when they don't give anything, you take molecule because molecules are stable. Atoms are not stable.
Okay.
So what is the weight of 5.5 moles of sulfur? What is the formula for moles?
Weight by molecular.
Molecular weight. Okay. Moles how much they give? 5.5. Weight they are asking. Molecular weight of sulfur?
S6, so 32 into 8.
So 32 into 8. Take them up. So what happens is the answer?
Weight
5.5 into
5.5 into 32.
32 into 8. Everyone should copy. No one is sitting idle. 8 5s are 40. 8 5s are 40. 44 into 32. So can anyone tell me 44 into 32 how much, children? 1408 grams, children. 1408 grams. Please mute your audios, children. Everyone, remaining other students. Yashasvi is over. Hansika is there? Hansika? Hansika is there? Hansika? Next, Saisha is there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Who is there? Saisha na Hansika na?
Hansika.
Hansika, you
I'm
will.
also there, sir.
Okay, next I'll ask you, Saisha. Wait. Hansika, you will calculate number of moles present in 64 grams of oxygen. 64 grams of oxygen, moles, 5 moles. If they don't mention atom or molecules, what you will take, I said?
Molecule.
The molecular weight. Okay, so moles formula what? Weight by?
Weight by molecular weight
Okay.
is equals to 64 by O2 is 16 into 32
Okay.
to
2 moles
2
is the
moles.
answer. 2 moles is 64 grams. 2 moles is 64 grams. Okay. Saisha, you do next. Okay. Calculate the number of moles present in. Moles present in. Calculate the number of moles present in.
Sir, in before question, it won't divide now, sir. We need to multiply.
Who, Nana? Who?
64 into 16 into 2. 64 grams of oxygen.
Yeah, they asked for moles, Nana. They asked for moles.
Okay.
So weight by molecular weight. Saisha, you will calculate the number of moles present in 108 grams of aluminium.
Yes, sir.
Moles formula?
Moles is equals to weight by molecular weight.
Keep saying. Weight, how much I gave?
108.
Molecular weight of
108.
aluminium, how much? Molecular weight of aluminium.
uh, uh, 27.
So how many times? 4 moles.
4 moles.
Say the statement. 4 moles of aluminium is 108 grams. Say the statement.
4 moles of aluminium is 108 grams.
Say again. 4 moles
4
of.
moles of aluminium is 108 grams.
Click the next tutor. Sridhar is there? Mass of 0.5 moles iron. Sridhar? Immediately you should respond,
Yes,
Nana. Mass of 0.5 moles of iron, Nana.
Moles is equals to
Tell. Moles is equal to?
weight by molecular weight.
Okay.
0.5 is moles is equals to weight by
Iron weight is 56. Try to remember iron weight is 56. In exam they will give, don't worry. This you bring here. How much?
0.5 into 56.
That is how much? 28 grams. How much is that?
28 grams.
Tell me one more sum. Speak the eighth sum. Calculate the number of moles present in. How many moles are present in 24.088 into 10 to the power of 23 sodium atoms? Calculate the number of moles in this. How many moles are present in this?
Sir, moles is equals to weight
Okay.
by weight by molecular
But
weight.
they have given atoms, no. They have given atoms. What first you put here this in this formula, okay? Put this in this formula. Find weight, okay now.
Okay, sir.
After finding weight, put in this formula. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Come on. Who is that, Nana? Who is that making noise? Yeah. Number of atoms, tell.
Number of atoms is equals to weight by atomic weight into Avogadro's number.
Okay. Number of atoms, how much?
24.08688 into 10 to the power of 23. Weight by atomic weight
of sodium is
23.
23. 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23.
10 to the power of 23.
This goes up, this goes down. Tell me, weight is equal to?
Weight is equals to 24.088 into 10 to the power of 23 by 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23.
6 4s are 423 is how much? 92. 423 is how much? 92.
90.
Okay, so 1 second, be online, 1 second. Check. Check. ఇచ్చేసేయండి. ఓకే అండి, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. పంపిస్తాను, క్లాస్ అయినా పంపిస్తాను. Yes, Rigna, now you have got the weight. After getting weight, how to find the moles, Nana? After
Moles
getting
is
weight,
equals to weight by molecular weight.
moles is equal to weight by molecular weight. How much is the weight we got?
92.
Molecular weight of sodium is how much? 23.
23.
So 4 moles is the answer. Did you understand the concept, Amma? Here they gave
Sir.
atoms. From atoms, what did I find out? What did I find
Weight,
out?
sir.
Weight. After finding weight, I substituted here. Okay. Next, Tekshika, are you there? Tekshika, are you able to hear? No, Tekshika can't. Okay. Next, Vivek is there? No, not there. Vikram is there? Not there. Neeraj is there?
Yes, sir.
Who is there?
Neeraj, sir.
Neeraj, tell. Eighth son. What, Neeraj? You are not talking today. Neeraj,
Yes, sir.
next question. Next question, you tell. Question is like this. Calculate the number of particles present in 0.5 moles of nitrogen. 0.5 moles of, what did I give? Nitrogen atom.
Nitrogen atoms.
Atom means you find out atoms are molecules are. When they say atoms, you will find atoms are molecules are. Atoms. Tell me the formula.
Weight by
What did they ask? Question. What did they ask?
150 grams of nitrogen atoms.
Number of particles. Number of atoms they are asking. Number of atoms. Tell me number of atoms formula.
Equal
Hmm.
to weight by atomic weight into
Avogadro number. So
Avogadro number.
number of atoms is equal to weight by atomic weight means what?
So that is equal to
Weight by atomic weight means what? Weight by atomic weight means what?
Moles.
Moles into Avogadro number. Moles is already given 0.5 into 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23.
into 10 to the power 23 by
How much is that? So 3.011 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms are present in 0.5 moles of nitrogen. So how many atoms are present, children? See, 3.011 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms are present. Okay, next. Who will tell? Shalmukh,
Yes, sir.
are you there?
Yes, sir.
Number of molecules present in 22 grams of carbon dioxide. Molecules. Tell.
Number of molecules is equal to weight by molecular weight into
Hmm.
Avogadro's number.
Okay, weight by molecular weight into Avogadro's number. Keep saying, keep saying.
22 by carbon dioxide CO2 is 12 plus 32 is 44. 44 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23.
Okay.
So 2 and 3.011 and 3.011 into 10 to the power 23 moles are
Molecules.
molecules are
present in
present in 22 grams of CO2.
22 grams of CO2. 22 grams of CO2. Srinidh, you can't tell anything, Nana. Why? Because you are not there in the previous classes. Srinidh, are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Nana,
Yes,
for
sir.
today, just you see, I will take all the basic classes for you tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Then you will be in a position to answer all these things.
Okay, sir.
Okay, just you listen, and I will talk to you personally again.
Okay, sir.
Next, who is missing in the class today? Anyone missed? Boys, anyone missed? Okay, last question is there, children. I'll put on the board. Whoever wants, they can tell children. Question is, calculate the mass of 18.066 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules of sulfur dioxide. Who will tell?
Sir, I'll say, sir. I didn't
So can I say?
answer the previous one.
Who is that?
Neeraj, sir.
You answered, no? Okay, tell me. Tell.
So moles. So number of atoms is equal to
Mass. Mass they are asking. Number of molecules is equal to.
molecules is equal to weight by molecular weight into Avogadro number.
Okay. Number of molecules, how much they gave?
They gave 18.066 into 10 to the power 23. That is equal to weight of
That only they are asking. Molecular weight of sulfur dioxide, how much?
32 plus 32 is equal to 64 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. 10 to the power cut. So 3s are. So 64 into 3 is equal to 192.
192 grams of sulfur dioxide has this many molecules. Say 192 grams of
Sulfur dioxide
has
these many molecules.
not this many.
6 into 10 to the power 23 molecules.
10 to the power. Say again. 192 grams of
192 grams of sulfur dioxide
has 18.066 into
10 to the power 23.
23 molecules. Very good. Okay, children. So 10 sums I said today, children. Remaining sums I will tell tomorrow. Already questions are there with you. If you want, you can practice also. But these questions you have to practice, children. Till now, what I was telling, individually I am taking one formula, I told the questions. Individually I took the one formula, I told the questions. Individually. But now, if all together formulas are given in different variety, you should be in a position to use them according to the situation that you will get after practicing 30-40 numericals. That's why I have given 10 numericals. I have given in the group also I kept some numericals, children. You try to practice, or else some more numericals I will tell tomorrow, children. But in exam like this only they will ask, children. Like how I said on number of molecules all question, number of atoms all questions, they won't tell like that. In exam randomly they will ask, children. You should be in a position to apply and analyze the answer then and there itself. So children, I hope you copied every. Please go through the sums. Okay, I gave extra sums also. Next 5 sums you practice and send me as homework, children. Next 5 sums practice and send to me as homework. Next 5 sums. Okay, I told children sulfur dioxide. I told children after sulfur dioxide, what is the question? Can anyone help me? Glucose is there. Next carbon is there. Next calcium carbonate is there. Like that, it is there. 5 questions you solve and send to me as homework, children. Okay, this is science, children. This is science. Now we will do maths. Okay, children.